Hi friends, welcome to Anbudan Akshayam. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make a periscope. For making a periscope, we need an empty box, 2 plain mirrors, Fevicol, double-sided tape, color sheet, marker and scissors. Now I am going to make the periscope. With the help of a marker, draw a square shape at the bottom of the box. Next, in the opposite side of the box, at the top, make a square shape. Next, by using the scissor, cut the shape. You should cut like this. Next, I am going to apply some glue at the bottom of the box. Wrap the box with the help of color sheet. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I am going to fix the mirror with the help of double-sided tape. I have fixed the double-sided tape in 2 places. Fix the mirror in slanting position. I have fixed the mirror in both the sides of the box. Now our periscope is ready. Here I have kept a candle. Now I am going to check whether the candle is visible or not. Now I am going to focus this plant. Periscope is used to see the objects which are not in the direct line of sight. It is used in a submarine to see ships on the surface of water when the submarine is underwater. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.